To make badges with Illustrator and Photoshop. So you have two files. You have your Photoshop file and your Illustrator file. The Photoshop file is where you'll change the colors, and the Illustrator file is where you will create the badge. So here I am in the Photoshop file. So all you do is you go to your layers here. You see I'm in my layers view. I have my three colors, the background, this part, and this part. And you see I have three layers, this fill background, this one swords, and this one these things. So all you have to do is double click on the one you want to change, and you can drag it around and change the color. Okay. You can do that as many times as you want for all these other ones. Okay. This one. Okay. And that's it. Then you do File, Export as PNG. And you'll be done with the part for making the background.